Hey, sweetie. Come here. Want to say hi? Huh? You don't want to say hi today? Huh? The grass too good? This is Dave's doe. She's my buddy. Been working on her. We're friends now. We're touchy friends, but she doesn't want to do no touchy right now. Man, it doesn't get any better than this, getting this close to the wildlife, getting to be kissy friends. Anyway, let's see if she comes up here. Want to come say hi? Want to come say hi to everybody? No? You're gonna go viral anyway. Alright, if all you're gonna do is give me your butt, then I guess that we'll just call it a day. Huh? One more time? See if he'll be enticed by something different. You wanna see what this is? You wanna see what this is? Huh? You curious? Aren't you curious to see what this is? Want to see what this is? No? Alright. Want something shiny? You like a... I think shiny. Anyway. Jessica. Is that what we're naming you? Jessica? Anyway. You gonna let me get touchy today? Are we gonna get to first base? We're gonna get to first base? Huh? We're gonna get to first base, sweetie? Yeah. Huh? Ah. Enough's enough, huh? Alright. Well, I'll see you later. Well, that's it.